All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our small contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to be going over today. And today I did inform you that we're going to be starting a new module because we finished the other one yesterday. This module is going to be sending ETH from a contract. So we're going to keep this one pretty short because we are diving into a new contract. So a new contract, a new module. So I want to make sure we get an understanding of everything we're going to be doing moving forward. So we're just going to do some light reading, and then I'm going to show you our contract. So in this section, we'll go over the process of sending ETH from a contract to a wallet address. We'll actually be hearing two methods or learning two methods to send ETH from a contract to a wallet address. The first way we'll be using is the send method, which is a low-level function that allows us to send ETH from the contract to a specified address. The second way, which we'll be going over later, is the roll call method, which is the higher-level function that allows us to send ETH from the contract to a specified address. And this is our small contract so far. So you can look here. This is the contract that we have so far. It's pretty much the same that we have been working on so far. We didn't change anything that much yet. And like I said, I'm going to keep this one short because we're all going to dive in pretty heavy into this module, going over some pretty heavy concepts. So we're going to leave it there for now, and we're going to pick up tomorrow so we can dive right in fully. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, it's the Python Poppy. You guys stay Gucci.